Engine, start. 2015 Toyota Land Cruiser required maintenance manual resetting. 1. With vehicle ignition switched to on position, make sure odometer is showing trip meter A, then turn the ignition switch to off position. 2. Push and hold the trip reset or mode button. 3. While holding reset button, switch ignition to on position. With engine start stop button, keep your foot off brake pedal and push engine start stop button twice to get key on engine off mode. 4. Continue to hold the reset button until the odometer displays 00000 and then the original value is displayed. 5. Turn the vehicle off and back on to confirm reset was accepted. Procedure 2. 1. On the navigation screen, press Setup. 2. Then touch Vehicle, then Maintenance. 3. Touch the desired item in which you need to reset. Example: engine oil, oil filter, tire rotation, etc. 4. From here, fill in the requested fields with new next service interval. Example: date and distance till next service is due. 5. Press OK when complete. 6. Repeat steps 3-5 inches for any other services that were performed.